Okay, here's just a short little video. My partner and I came up with this. If you have any type of tree stump or any type of flat feeder, kind of like a pedestal feeder, maybe even a ground feeder, if you don't have to worry about the critters coming around. If you live in like the metropolitan area, you can make a simple feeder out of just a cupcake tin. I see here. You can put different types of, mine's kind of just a mess here, but you can put different types of feed in each one of the, or mix them up in each one of the little cupcake holders. This is peanut butter underneath there. There's peanut butter, and then I put, you can see I put some bird seed on top of it. Yeah, and then all you have to do is see this hole's covered up right here. See the hole? You can put a nail or a screw on your feeder to hold it in place. You don't have to, but I would recommend it, like if a wind blows or something. You don't have to worry about your tin blowing away. Or if you have to worry about critters. If you have to worry about critters, I would recommend not having a ground feeder. I would recommend having a feeder that's as high as you can get it, so the critters don't have easy access to it. If you have a problem with raccoons, I would say if you want to use this, I would recommend not using it, but if you want to use it, take it in at night, because raccoons can climb. They get very aggressive. They're very destructive. They'll kill your chickens. So if you have a raccoon problem, I would recommend not using this. But otherwise, see, easy, easy, easy. All you need is a flat surface or almost flat surface.